So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can solve the issue of lag in the input play in the remote play of the Steam. Now, in order to get that fix, click on this option of Steam on the top left corner, then click on Settings. Once you are in here, you need to go to this option of Steam Broadcast, or you can just simply go to this option of Remote Play. Inside the Remote Play, you'll find multiple settings. Now here, make sure that the GPU is enabled for this specific thing. Like here you can see when you open this drop down menu, you can find multiple settings. Now in from here, you need to enable the hardware encoding. Once you enable it, you'll find a remote play will definitely get solved once you start the steaming, and you can definitely find that your Steam is now working fine.
Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.